So Open Skies is a project that seeks to make data from Syracuse's Hancock International Airport available through a RESTful API so that other developers can use it to build applications that will help people that are using this important regional transportation asset. All the code is on GitHub. It uses the data that is from the Syracuse Hancock International Airport website, and it updates about every 60 seconds. So let's take a look at the RESTful part of the API. Obviously, you can look up by flight number. So here's an example of looking up flights by flight number. So this is the information for flight 7287, and there's an inbound and an outbound flight out of Hancock International Airport this morning. There are also endpoints that let you look up by airline. So if I wanted to look up all the Air Canada flights, I wanted to see every flight going into gate 5 that was assigned to go into or leave from gate 5, I can see that. I can take a look at all of the arrival or departure flights. So this RESTful API is really, really useful. What also is cool is that there's a WebSocket endpoint. So I can actually use WebSockets to get updates as information changes. So this app over here is using the WebSocket WebSocket endpoint. It's made a connection, and now it's going to listen for updates from the server. I don't have to do polling or anything like that to find out if my flight information has changed. This app just has to sit here and wait for updates, and we'll let it do its trick. You can see there the green bar just flashed. That means it got a new update. So it happens about every 60 seconds. Makes it really useful if you're waiting for a flight and you want to see if any of the information has changed so that you're not late, or if there's a gate change or something like that. Now the RESTful API makes it really simple to create all sorts of cool web apps. What I've often wished for is something like a text messaging app that would let me actually find out when my flight is delayed, or if there's a gate change or anything like that as I'm on my way to the airport. So let's do that same lookup for flight 7287. I'll pick the departing leg. And since I've got this RESTful API, I can build simple SMS apps that will make it super easy for me to never miss my flight. So that's Open Skies.